Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Elite Shoes. How can I assist you today? Good afternoon. I need a pair of formal shoes for office wear. Certainly, sir. Do you have any specific brand or colour in mind? I prefer black leather shoes, something comfortable for long hours. Great choice. We have a new collection of premium leather shoes that are both stylish and comfortable. What size do you wear? I usually wear size 9. They feel comfortable. But do you have something with a slightly broader fit? Perfect. Let me show you some options. Here's a classic black leather shoe from our premium range. It has cushioned soles for extra comfort. It looks nice. Is it available in genuine leather? Absolutely. Let me get you a pair with a wider toe box. Here you go. Oh, this one feels much better. What's the price? This pair is priced at $120, but we're offering a 10% discount this week. Excellent choice, sir. Let me pack them for you. Would you like to see any shoe care products? Yes, please. Great. Here's a high-quality shoe polish that will keep your shoes looking new. Thank you, sir. Here's your bill. You can pay by cash or card. Here you go. Your payment is successful. Thank you for shopping with us. Have a great day.